Western Welding Academy is a super mission-driven company. I mean, we've made it our mission to build a better generation. And one thing that's really, really important to us is that we're always continuing to partner with other companies that really have that same mission in mind.
My name is Sean McDonough. I work for DeWalt. I am the West Regional Sales Manager. We view our greatest strength as partnering with end users to find out how we can provide a tool that's going to make their job easier. Western Welding Academy is providing a curriculum for the future builders of America. And that's what we want to partner with. Supply these young people with the tools to go out there and be successful in the field.
Roger Warner, and I'm the branch manager with AWG in the Gillette, Wyoming location. The partnership with Western Welding and DeWalt is just so positive. The energy that when you go there, the students that come into my store are so positive with what they're learning. They just love it out there. And I think the students that come out of here are going to go a long way in their career.
So AWG, DeWalt, and Western Welding Academy, perfect trifecta. Three companies, super aligned in the mission. We are going to go in there. It's a movement what we're doing here. We're rebuilding America from the inside out, starting with the youth, giving the workforce the tools, the skills, the resources they need. Let's get this country back to work, and let's invest into the youth, and let's invest in this blue-collar workforce.
We hear from end users throughout the entire country that they're looking for more people to help. There's a big gap in the trades right now, and we want to support people who are putting more of an emphasis in getting people into the trades. We know that these are the folks who are going to be building America moving forward, and we want to partner with that as much as we possibly can. We see the vision here at Western Welding Academy, and we want to invest in that as much as possible.
The partnership with Western Welding and DeWalt and us, we supply tools for these welders to go out and weld in the field. Right now there's a shortage of blue-collar workers. We just need quality tools, and we need to support these kids to get out there, give them the positive attitude to get out there and do a blue-collar job, because it is important, every job out there.
A lot of people know that I was a welder out in the field for 15 years, and DeWalt was right there with me. You know, every time I pulled my grinder out of my welding truck, every time I used an end grinder or, any of that, DeWalt, incredibly good company. They're rugged, they're tough, they hold up, especially their new battery powered technology. That's just a game changer for this industry. At the end of the day, I'm so proud to have a partnership with a company that builds the best, and we can partner with them to make sure our students have what they need when they go out in the field. They know that DeWalt's got their back.